Hello friends, today I'm back with a seafood recipe for you. We are going to make Mangalorian style Rava fish fry. These thin slices of fish marinated with a spicy masala paste coated with Rava and fried to a crispy crunchy texture are so delicious. You can enjoy them as a snack also or serve them with your thali meal, dal chawal. They really go very well. And the popular fishes that used in this preparation are surmai slices or pomfret slices or Bombay duck, which is also known as Bombil here. These three fishes go extremely well in this preparation. So you make any fish that's available. Today I am using surmai slices. Let's prepare this fish and enjoy. I'm using seer fish or surmai fish, 3 slices. Wash them very well and set them aside. Now let's mix the spices for marination. Red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon is very spicy. Turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt as needed, about 1 teaspoon. Give them all a nice mix. Kashmiri chilli powder will give nice color. Squeeze out lemon juice into them. Juice of 1 lemon is sufficient, or alternately you can also use tamarind juice, whichever is convenient. Give them all a nice mix and your marination is ready. Rava or semolina, 6 tablespoons. This is fine rava we use for making upma. Now spread the marination on the fish slices. I've added 1 tablespoon of water to the marination so that it could be spread easily. This way you marinate all the slices, spreading the mixture on both the sides. You can increase the spice level if you wish. The powder I used, chili powder, was Guntur chili, so it's very hot. I used only quarter teaspoon. If it's a normal chili powder, you might use half teaspoon or more. Now we are going to coat these with semolina. Both the sides you coat it very well. This Mangalorian style fish fry is very popular here in Maharashtra. Every seafood restaurant serves this. You can use any variety of fish for this. Even pomfret slices taste very good. Marination and coating is done. Now we'll cover the cling film and refrigerate it until we are ready to fry and serve. Now heat oil in a pan. I am using my old dosa pan, which is very good, thick base, and the fish fries very well in it. Heat oil, about 6 to 7 tablespoons. Line up the fish slices. You could also deep fry them if you want, but that way the oil goes waste. The fish oil can be only used for cooking fish again, or you have to just throw it. So I think pan frying is a better option. After some time, few minutes, you flip the slices carefully. You could also use air fryer to fry these if you have one. Adjusting the flame, fry them until they are nice and crispy on both sides. Fish is done. Looks so delicious and tempting. Dish them out and you can enjoy them as a snack as well. Just squeeze out some lemon juice on top if you wish and enjoy. They pair very well with dal chawal. Today I have made Andhra style dal with kaddu. Delicious meal. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out also if you wish. Have a lovely day.